Today I am shopping at the Goodwill outlet bins. These little mercury glass votive candle holders. I love the color on this piece for spring. Also love the size and the little scalloped edges. I'm gonna get this. It is extremely heavy as well. This little figurine is interesting. I think he's handmade, but he has a crack right here, so I think I'm gonna leave him. It's another little mercury glass looking piece. That's really pretty. I think I'm gonna put this in my cart. I love this little sack for spring. You just put it on a hook in your house and have some long florals in it. Any color would look great with this, so I'm definitely putting that in my cart. Look at this cute little wood turtle. I'm definitely getting him for a mystery box. And I was also looking at this piece, trying to think if I need it for anything. It's very solid and it has all these compartments. If you have not been to the Goodwill bins before, it's all these bins full of stuff that they bring out all day long, and you just can come and dig, and it's like a treasure hunt every time. You never know what you're going to find. All right, I found a few things. I had to go dig quick because they started dumping the bins. So I went and saved these pieces. There are 3 of them. I think they would look beautiful with some LED candles. These are not attached. They're little brass pieces that go on top of the frosted glass, and they have a nice weight to them. Also found this cute little brass vase that has a great patina to it. It is very loud, so I hope y'all can hear what I'm saying. And so far I rescued one Christmas ornament. It's an old-timey little lawn cutter. How cute is that? And then I just spotted this artwork in the bins. It's a hand-painted collie doll. I have one of these on the website that I've had forever that hasn't sold, but I just feel the need to rescue this as well, so it's going in my cart. I am on the hunt for a ton of little toys for Ren, and this is the perfect place to find them. This is the stuff she loves playing with, and if you don't know, she is practically blind in one eye, and we went to the doctor last week and they want to up her patching to 6 hours a day, which is really difficult because she literally cannot see when you cover her good eye. So we're breaking it up to 2 times a day that she patches, in the morning and the night. And to encourage her to keep her patch on, I give her a little prize when she takes it off. So La La Loopsy, all these little cute little things that she loves. I'm gonna collect them and give some to her every day. I noticed this pottery piece just sitting in this bin. I love how it has this drippy pink color signed at the bottom. I love this. Add that to my cart. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all this piece. I found this little, I think it's a coffee pot or a percolator or something like that. I found a bigger one like this before, but I like the smaller size of this one because it would fit just on any shelf that you have, just as a piece of decor. This little oh, this is cute. I like this. It has a natural look to it, and it has some shine. Oh, it has lights in it as well because there's the batteries, but I don't think that's gonna work. They look all corroded. That's cute though. I like that. I'm sure somebody will grab that. Ooh, baskets. Not that anymore, but we're gonna look. We're always gonna look. Ooh, I really like this one. It has a vintage look to it. It must have had plants in it. Should I get this? I don't know. I like the shape of this one. I could put an updated bow on it. Look at the top. I like this too. Ooh, a box. I need a box. I need some shipping boxes. Ooh, I like this one. This is the perfect size for a little plant, or if you could find the perfect piece of glass and then you stick it in there so it's, you know, glass at the top, a basket at the bottom. You get the idea. Okay, I want this one. Should I get these 2 as well? I'm gonna put them in my cart and think about them. How about that? Add them to the cart. All right, they've refilled both sides. Let's go dig through the bins. This is definitely the find of the day. Look at this. Amazing. Let's see what else is in here. A little wooden elephant. I love him. Look how tall he is. Some little salt and pepper shakers from Hawaii. Oh, another elephant. Yay, a matching set. And some spoons. I think I'm gonna leave these. Alright, that's it in this bin. Let me get all this. Man, look at all the nice eucalyptus in that cart. Alright, they just brought out a new bin over there, so I'm gonna hurry up and go dig. Another baby with a hand-painted face. What y'all think? Should I get her? Alright, I got a bunch of stuff to show y'all. Look how cute this is. I love the white and the little ruffled detail and how the edge is clear. It's a perfect little trinket dish. I got this piece, but I got a lot in my cart, so I might go through it and put some stuff back. I don't know if this is 100% my style. I do like the chickens. I like the crock. I like that it says milk. I'm just not crazy about the color, so I don't know. I grabbed it. We shall see. Oh, this is for me. Look, y'all. A set of 3 of these glass dishes with the lids. That is perfect. Let me put it right here. Hopefully nobody steals it. ended up getting this spoon. I just thought it was cute, and I'll just collect them and then do a little lot of spoons together. I got this little masher. Unfortunately, I did not find a bowl or anything to go with it. I'll probably put this in a mystery box. Look at this set of candlesticks. I have 2 of them. They have the marble, the brass, the glass. I love all of it. So I got 2 of those. They're very heavy as well. And then these I'm going to sell together. It's a set of little decorative oval frames. And look at this piece, y'all. Somebody needs this as a centerpiece for spring. It's like a huge bird's nest. I love it. So you could fill it with eggs. You could fill it with floral. You could find a huge bird to put in it. I don't know. I think it'd be cute to add some little sprigs of greenery in the nest as well. I've never seen anything like this. I love it. Okay, these are the items I decided to put back. I just don't need these baskets. I don't like the color, and I looked this piece up and it really doesn't resell for that much, and it's going to be a pain to ship. It's heavy, it's breakable, so I'm going to leave these pieces here. I really want to stay and dig some more, but I really have to get home. Y'all look how thick these glasses are. I love that. So leave me a comment below and let me know what was your favorite item that I got today. This was, I don't know if this is my favorite, but this was definitely the best score of the day. So y'all let me know what was your favorite, and I will put a total on the screen of what I spent. I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip, and I will see y'all in the next one. While waiting in line to check out, I found this. Love it. Just needs a good cleaning.